In this video, I will be answering the question, what is the Monopoly Go max level? So let's jump straight into it. So here we are. As you can see, I'm currently on Monopoly Go. Now, after doing some research, I found out the maximum level you can reach is 10,000. Once you reach level 10,000, you will no longer be able to earn XP and gain additional rewards. Of course, you can still play the game, you can still earn money, and you can still roll and go around the board, but you just won't earn any additional XP as 10,000 is the maximum level. So you can actually earn XP by completing daily challenges, as well as building properties and passing the go space on the board. Also, by playing with friends, you will find that you can earn XP quicker, so that's just a few tips if you're looking to get to that maximum level as quick as possible. However, it will take some time for you to actually get to level 10,000. So what I would advise is really going around the board and completing things like the daily challenges, for example, which are down here in the bottom left hand corner, which can also contribute to XP. And just keep going around the board, building your properties, and eventually you will get to that level 10,000. But as mentioned, once you reach level 10,000, you will no longer earn XP. However, you can still play the game, go around the board and collect money. So I hope that cleared things up for you if you was wondering what is the Monopoly Go max level. With that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.